Alright, so I got my wife's 2013 Gsxr750, and the issue she's having is it wants to start sometimes. It just started happening recently. And I jumped the safety switch in the clutch to make sure it wasn't that. Also the kickstand. And I checked the kill switch, and everything appears to be fine. You hear the pump coming on, and I hit the start button. Nothing. So it's a pretty easy job. Just pop these little pieces off. You go right here, you pull it down a little bit, pull up from underneath the fairing, and just got some Velcro. Pop that off, and a little grommet. You pull that out and undo these screws on each side. Allen head, and it's right there. This right here. And I'll show you how to switch it out. About a 3-minute job. First, pop off this cover right here. Undo these terminals right here. Once you undo the terminals, just move them out your way. Pop this out, squeeze it, and it should come out just like that. And then just take this out. Here it is right here. Alright. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. I double check, make sure the fuses are the same size. You never know. You get one, comes in off the internet, may not fit your bike, but everything's exactly the same. We're going to pop this on here. Boom. Put these back on, and then I'm going to try to crank it up. Alright, tightened it up. Just the two. Snap that in. Pushed it back in its holder. And this is the old one. And then you just pop this cap back on. But let's see if it works first. Alright, that's it. Easiest 1, 2, 3.